Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to our channel. This is Drawing with Jayden. I'm Dad, and this is
Jayden.
And today, what are we going to be drawing, Jayden?
A diamond.
Yeah, we're going to be drawing a diamond today. So if you guys want to learn how to draw and you guys want to draw with us, grab a piece of paper, grab you something to draw with, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is make a line across. But before we make a line, let's put 2 dots down.
Yeah.
From here to about here. Let's put a dot right there. And a dot right there. So we're gonna go dot, yep, and then about right there. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Now, let's draw a line to connect the dots.
Dang, that's a little bit far.
Good job. Now, we're gonna draw lines to make a triangle.
Before we make that, we have to make a dot.
Good job. So let's make a little dot down here. That way we know where we're gonna draw a line. And our lines are gonna connect to this dot here. So let's draw a line here. Let's draw another line on this side.
Let's look at these. This is easy.
Easy peasy. All right, so
And
now
it
that we
doesn't
have,
have to be perfect.
yep, it doesn't have to be perfect, like Jayden said.
If you need extra time, you should pause the video and have fun.
And have fun. Good job, Jayden. Now, we're gonna draw here to here, going this way. So just to show you guys what I mean, draw a line up here, going to right there, and do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. Now, we're gonna make a line go all the way from here to here. You ready, Jayden?
Yeah, like that.
Yep, let's do it. Good job.
I won.
All right, so now that we have that down, now what we want to do, we want to draw lines from here. You see these points here? From here down to here. So just to show you guys, make a line down in that corner, make a little triangle. About right there to right there. Yep. Do it on the other side, from here to there. Now that we have our triangle, this is where we want to make another small triangle in the middle.
Hey Dad, can I make the same thing like boom, boom, boom?
We can make that on the next video. So now that we have the lines here, let's make our little dot here in the middle. Make a dot in the middle, Jay. So we know what we're drawing on the next triangle. So now that we have that, let's draw a line from here to here and here to here. So I'll show you. Down, just like that.
Ah!
Now, go on the other side.
Easy
And we're
peasy.
almost
There.
done. Now, to finish the diamond, the
You're
last
supposed to do
thing.
like this.
Oh yeah, you want to tell them?
Yeah. So, when you're done with the video, you're supposed to do like that. Let me show you.
Well, before you do that, Jayden, we got to make sure we show them. So these 2 points here is where our lines are going to go. So we're going to draw a line from here to here,
Here.
and here to here. You're just making triangles within triangles. Now right there, Jayden. So now we take our line and go down. Right here, Jayden.
Hey Dad, can I put details on it?
Not just yet, because we have to put the other one. I put this line all the way down. So your line's gonna go from here to there. From here to here. And voila. We have a diamond.
Now let's color it in.
Now let's color it in.